Hello and welcome. Before I show you how to create your account, it's important to understand who Polarium is. Polarium is a global brokerage present in different countries and used by people from all over the world. The brokerage was developed to offer a safe, simple, and transparent experience for its users. Polarium works with modern technology, clear processes, and a total focus on customer trust. Everything within the brokerage is designed so that the user feels comfortable from the very first access. Today, many people want to access the financial market, but they are looking for a simple, organized, and easy-to-use brokerage. Polarium was created with exactly this goal in mind, to offer a clear, accessible, and safe experience for everyone. And the first step to accessing all the brokerage's features is to create your account. Creating an account is very simple. First, you click on the link that is in the description of this video. When you click, you will be directed to the Polarium registration screen. On this screen, you will fill in just some basic information: your name, your email, a password, confirm that you are over 18 years old, and it is very important to use a personal email and your own phone number. This data is used to send updates, news, important information, and communications from the brokerage. By using your personal data, you ensure that you will stay up to date with everything that happens within Polarium. After that, just complete your registration and you will have access to the brokerage. As soon as you log into your account, you can already see the Polarium interface. Everything is organized in a simple and intuitive way. On the main screen, you can choose and add new assets, adjust the value of the operations, access the tournaments, view your balance, and make your deposit whenever you wish. During this video, you will see each of these parts appearing on the screen to make it easier for you to understand. Polarium was developed so that anyone can navigate the brokerage without any difficulty. All the features are visible, well organized, and easy to access. This allows you to explore the brokerage with peace of mind and get to know everything it has to offer. Creating your account on Polarium is the first step to accessing the tournaments, events, and all the opportunities available within the brokerage. If you haven't created your account yet, the link is in the description, and in the next videos I will continue to explain other features that Polarium Broker makes available in a simple and practical way. So, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join me for the next videos.